Hi everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can download and install GoWish application on your Android phone. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive in straight into the video. First of all, open your Play Store, go to the search box and type in GoWish. After you perform your search, look for this application and tap on the install button to begin downloading the app on your Android. Now, all you need to do is to wait for the application to download and install on your Android. GoWish is a free digital wish list application that allows you to create and manage wish lists for birthday, weddings, and other special occasions. It also makes it easy to share wish lists with friends and family so that they can see what you want and avoid duplicate gifts. Once the application is downloaded and installed, tap on the Open button to open the app on your Android. You can now go ahead and create a new account or log into an existing one and to get started with GoWish. That is how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.